And my name is Scarlett. And let's go.
So giddy up.
Giddy up. Okay, I need to put my feet right. That's it. That's hard.
Yeah, I'm getting on their lawn.
Oh, sorry.
No.
And then be over there.
Okay.
Literally, you just move
Let you go.
And now I'm gonna go up here. I go here. I'm gonna go. And then gonna be another slide, I guess. Okay, so now I'm gonna go. Okay, so I need to go down 2 slides for you. I know there's one right there, but I'm missing it. I have to do it. Kick up! And then I'm going to come here. So now, follow me. I'm going to go down another. Hey, Amanda. Are you ready? Okay. And now follow me, okay? Where are you?
Okay. Not too bad.
Can you hold my hand though?
Sure.
Come here. That's fun. Now I'm gonna go for here.
Okay.
Doesn't work. Okay, I'm coming. And I'm gonna climb back on there. You know why?
Why?
Because I'm gonna do this. Okay. And then I slide down here. Look. I go on top of this wall. I found something. The bug. Never been here. I have been here before. Never been here. Tomorrow is Easter, and this is an Easter video, right?
Yep.
I have already went up that way before them, so I'm gonna go this way. Sometimes I have to do this for a change. Sometimes I have to do this, you know? Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go for here. Okay?
All right.
And now I'm gonna do one more thing with this. That's fun, right?
Yep.
And I'm gonna go in here. And can you come up there?
Yeah.
Go down the slide first, yes?
Woohoo! This is a fun tunnel.
Good job.
Linda.
Just put your arms in the air.
And I heard we have a mission now.
A mission.
We have have to find all these items.
Can you find them all?
Yes,
Nature
I
hunt.
can.
All right, let's go for it. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna go.
So you got 10 animals to find, right?
I can show this.
Yeah, you're going the wrong direction. Let's see it. All right, so you got 10 things to find.
Don't climb it. No. Don't climb on that.
Oh, there's
I
one.
found another
Let's see it.
right there.
Okay, go touch it. Go touch each one. What did you find on that one? What is that?
This ladybug.
Ladybug, that's 2.
Right here, and a monkey. And we'll come back here and try to find it. I'm gonna look up here, okay? Because I think I know getting a better. I was just trying to find a way because my canoe was going up here, so I was oh, here's one.
You gotta touch it.
Right there. Okay, I'm gonna lay you down. Okay? There. Are you ready? Ooh. I never went down. You're supposed to go up.
You can do both, I think.
Well, I can do both. It's cool.
Okay, so touch number 3.
Okay.
What is that?
Ow!
Owl, yeah?
I'm gonna come back because I think I found it.
Okay.
Okay, so we found the owl. Now let's follow me. I think I saw one. Here is it. A pine cone.
Pine cone?
A pine cone. And let's go under here. We found it.
Ooh, what's that one?
I don't know.
Paw print?
Yeah, let's go get it.
3.
Okay, so we found that and
The paw
bear.
print?
Yeah, and the bear.
All right, how many's that? 5 so far?
That one under here.
So we got 5 now? How many's left? Scarlett, if you found 10, if there's 10 to find and you found 5, how many's left?
5 more. And I
Yep,
found
5 more.
6.
Oh, elephant number
And
6.
they go over here, okay?
Through the treehouse.
I just found one, a bear. Wait, I saw.
Is that 8?
And there was a pine cone. There was actually a pine cone, and we found a bear. And now.
Is that 8?
And now. Hey, you can't come over.
Oh,
And now we have to go there. But over there.
okay.
Okay, here's. What do you want?
What do you got?
Well, we got this pizza ready for.
Oh, I'll have a slice of pizza then.
Okay.
Wow, pizza just comes right at you here, doesn't it? Pizza all around. All right, how many more you got left to find?
Wait, I need to go back from here because we already found the elephant. Okay, now. I think I found.
Oh,
What? Oh yeah, I forgot. And the egg nest.
how many is that? 9?
I think so. And now one more.
Hopefully we didn't miscount. I'll have to look at the list after and see if we found them all.
Wait, the turtle.
Is that all 10?
Wait.
I think that's 10.
We're missing one.
Should we go look at the list and see if we got them all?
Where's the bunny? I see it through here. Where's the bunny?
Oh, we only have 9. You're right. We haven't done the bunny yet.
Where's the bunny?
Let's look for it.
Where is it?
One left to find. You got to find that bunny.
Here it is. The bunny. Okay, now follow me. That was our video about the nature hunt and also about this playground. say for Scarlett's kids. Bye.